Okay, so today we're going to learn about how to create a Google site using your LAUSD logins. So you must be logged in with your LAUSD email from school. And if you're not sure, over on your right-hand side of the computer, there is usually something that says G Suite, and it should be set to your school's email. And you log in that way, and then you can either find Google Sites through the little waffle icon on the corner, and then you see Sites right here, or you can just put into the cursor sites.google.com and find it that way. So we are we are already opened up to our Google Sites through LAUSD on this page, and you can see that they do offer a template gallery as well as a student portfolio, but we're not going to be using any of these templates for the intended purposes of this course, because we are going to slowly build this website throughout our school year. So I would prefer if you just came over here and you're going to select a new tile and click. And for today's lesson, you are going to title this site with your name. So I'll write my name. My first name is Jennifer. Jennifer's Art Portfolio. And once I have the title of my sites, I am going to include the title page here, which is our header of our website. And I'm going to write Jennifer's Portfolio. You can include art portfolio if you'd like. So if you really wanted to say art portfolio, you can, but depending on the size of your name, it might come out a little bit strange. But if it did and you wanted to change that, you could come over. And the cool feature about Google Sites is that there is a lot of drag and click. And if I wanted to, I can extend this out even further and make it one solid line. And I like the way this looks. As for the background, you have a choice and an option to change the way your image looks. So this is just the stock photo that is available. And I'm going to probably change the stock photo right now, as well as you can change your header type. So if I wanted the banner, which we have in front of us right now, I can keep it. If I wanted a larger banner, I could have that option. If I wanted the whole cover to be, really big, I could change it that way as well. But I do like just to have a very traditional banner. The next option is changing this image back here. The great thing about Google Sites is that it allows you to download a new image and place it in the back. And you can do that, or you can choose to select a stock photo from Google. I have to say, as long as it's not super busy, as long as it's original or a stock photo and school appropriate, feel free to kind of explore and use anything you'd like. I do really like those colored images that are very pixelated. I think they're very peaceful, and I'm going to choose that instead. And you can see that Google is adjusting it so that it has better contrast between my name and the background. So I changed it to a lighter image. I think that looks nice. And that's all we have to do today, is you're setting up your first page of your portfolio, which will be your digital art portfolio for this school year. At this point, in order for me, the instructor, to see it, you're going to have to come over to this button and click Publish. Once you click Publish, it's going to recommend a web address, and I think this web address looks fine. Who can view my site is anyone with an LAUSD. So you can only view the site if you have your LAUSD login, is what it's saying. And we're going to go ahead and click Publish. Perfect. And they have just generated my art portfolio website. There's not much on here right now, which is okay. Eventually, I can change the publishing so that it becomes viewable to anybody in the public. But for now, we're going to keep it private and something we're going to work on. In order for me to view this site as the teacher and you to turn in your assignment, you're going to come up to here where it says Copy Published Site Link. Click that link. You're going to just hit the Copy Link button. And when you submit this onto Schoology, you are going to submit the link so that I may go see it. And we will show another video for how to properly submit links on Schoology later. Thank you for your attendance and hope to see your website soon.